lovely people, welcome to my channel. My name is Naturally DC, and in today's video we are going to use cloves to cure our vaginal odor. You know very well that cloves are highly prized medicinal spice that has been used for centuries. They also contain powerful antiseptic, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and anesthetic properties, making them tremendously useful in helping to heal a whole variety of illness and health condition. Yes, so before we get into the video, we also know very well that vaginal odor, sometimes we get it after having our period or our menses, and also visiting the private or the public toilet. All these ways are involved in us getting the odor from this place. So I'm going to start by, I've already washed it, but I'm going to ahead to wash it again to remove all the dirt that is on it. And at this stage, I'm going to need my saucepan. I'm going to transfer them into it. And at the moment, I'm going ahead to add, I'm measuring 1 glass of water and add it to it. I'll be needing this strainer to strain it after I finish. So I'm going to bring this to a boil. But don't forget that the cloves juice or the water that will be in the cloves has a minty taste, which is normal and which will help to heal even ulcers and our odor very fast. So let's get to the next stage. So as you can see, our clove is on fire boiling. The water has really changed. It's about 5 minutes, so I'm going to allow it for it to boil for the next 5 minutes, then we proceed. And it smells really good and nice. Alright guys, so I'm done. I've allowed it to cool down for a while, and then I'm going to need a strainer and a glass at this moment to strain the cloves in. So that's what we have. This stage is optional. To make it taste sweet a little, we're going to add a little honey to it. You take this before breakfast in the morning and before you go to bed. Alright, so please, thanks for watching.